Face diet. No line. Warming up. 1. Relax muscles by using a finger to massage the circular around the scalp. Repeat 5 times. 2. Using fingertips, apply from forehead to the head top. Repeat 5 times. 3. Relax facial muscles with the shifting mouth, uttering careyoU. Repeat 3 times. I hope this video has been helpful, and you like it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more. And like and comment below.